We're so excited to let you know that the Blaliden pegboards are here. As always, remember to peel the film. We've designed and 3D printed special hardware in order to install the pegboards. A nut and screw will be included, allowing you to secure the mounting hardware to the pegboard. Repeat on the left side. In order to install the hardware, remove the existing corner tabs. Use the same screws you removed to attach the pegboard to the cabinet. F-pins are inserted at the bottom. This creates a space between the back of the pegboard and the cabinet to hang your accessories. Pegboards mounted on the lower half of the cabinet requires different hardware. They are installed similarly and uses the screws that hold up the stock shelf pins. Don't forget the F-pins. Our shelves come with a cutout that makes it compatible with the pegboards. And here's the final look. With the plants. Thanks for watching.